How to turn off Vibrate on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off Vibrate on Snapchat easily. So all what you have to do is go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. All what you have to do is just go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. I'm sorry, click here. Now this is my profile. Go to the top here and click on the settings option. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. Scroll down until you find notifications. Click on notifications. Now scroll down again until you find the Vibrate option, and you can turn it off from here as you can see easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.